Please welcome to the stage Physician Ambassador to China and Asia Pacific at the Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, Bob Lee.
All human beings may be affected by cancer. With a lifetime incidence of up to 50%, most of us have a family member or close friend who's suffered from cancer, certainly my family included. And as a person who treats cancer every day, I can say that there's only one word to describe cancer, and that is evil. It is the common enemy of humanity. Cancer takes 10 million lives around the world every single year. This is a death toll that's a couple orders of magnitude greater than the lives lost from wars and conflict. China and the United States are the two countries with the highest cancer burden. They account for just under 40% of global cancer deaths. And yet the cancer burden is also high in India, Germany, Japan, Brazil. In fact, no country is spared the scourge of cancer. So the solution is to conduct clinical trials. This is the critical step of translating scientific discovery into saving human lives. However, despite heavy investment, with $80 billion spent every year by the pharmaceutical industry, the access to clinical trial is fewer than 5% of patients. And as a consequence of this lack of access, with great disparities among people, especially in rural, underserved global communities, the timeline for development of new cancer treatments and prevention can be up to 10, 15 years. And this is increasingly an unsustainable model, and at this rate, we will not see the cure for cancer. So what can we do in this era of biotechnology, artificial intelligence? The Bloomberg New Economy International Cancer Coalition has worked over the last 3 years gathering leaders from multiple stakeholders around the world in academia, in government, in industry, patient advocacy, policy think tanks, breaking down silos and challenging the status quo in improving access beyond that abysmal 5%. And by original research, analysis, initiatives, we are showing that by investing in leapfrog technology such as liquid biopsy, blood test that detects cancer, telemedicine, remote monitoring technologies, and collaboration, we may expand access in diverse global communities, Southeast Asia, Latin America, Africa, and help turn them into future engines of oncology R&D that will benefit the whole of humanity. We launched the Cure for Cancer public awareness campaign, and also we're publishing policy reports to inform government regulations. Now, in fact, regulatory cooperation, the lack of the governments working in silos, can delay access to medicines and innovation for many years for patients. And by simply getting the government agencies to work together around the world, we have shown in our analysis that this could save up to 2 million lives every single year. So therefore, the pace of policy innovation needs to catch up to the pace of scientific innovation. And we put a spotlight on Project Orbus. This is an international regulatory harmonization initiative of the US FDA Oncology Center of Excellence, also a founding member of our coalition. Here you can see 8 countries getting together, simultaneously reviewing clinical trial data instead of doing it in silos and doing it duplicative work with each bureaucracy, doing it together and accelerating regulatory approval and access to innovation for patients in need. But you can see from this list, China, India, and many new economy countries are missing, and therefore more work needs to be done. Through policy analysis, Track 1.5 dialogue, government briefings, we've successfully facilitated a cancer collaboration dialogue between US and Australia during the recent state visit by Prime Minister Albanese to the US as hosted by President Biden and First Lady Dr. Biden. Now we are raising the bar even higher. We are very hopeful of a positive cancer collaboration dialogue at the President's Biden-Xi meeting at APEC next week, because there's so much that the United States and China can work together on to save many, many lives from cancer in both countries, not only so, but also the whole world. So I want to conclude with the 5P approach that's coined by also a founding member of the coalition, Jing Chen. By raising public awareness, by opening up political space, empowering policy innovations, advancing patient-centric trials and bringing peace to patients, families, and the world, you see this is an international movement where we all have a role to play, no matter your profession, your background, or which country you come from. And finally, borrowing some words of advice from my Aussie friend, Kevin Rudd, the course of history is not predestined by anonymous forces or fairy dust. It is written by committed women and men, individuals who make the difference. And with the leadership and immense talent in this room, let's do our part to bring the world together and accelerate the cure for cancer. Thanks for listening.